Hi guys, welcome back to Rafthelsavlogs. This is my premiere. Our topic for today is about unboxing or a product review of one of the uh, perfume from Aigner. So I don't know how to pronounce it clearly. Aigner, okay? Aigner 2 Feminine. This is another brand of branded perfume. This is made from Germany. Yeah, this is a product of Germany. EU the perfume, and this is the name of this perfume is Aigner 2 Feminine. Okay, this is how many ml? This one 60 ml, guys. This is 60 ml of, okay, 60 ml. So let's open this one. Let's unbox and let's see how it looks like. This is one of the branded perfume. So this is the trademark Aigner. It's like it's like an anchor like that. Aigner. I don't know how it's pronounced. So we will remove the plastic cover. So this is UD perfume. Okay, UD perfume. UD perfume is long lasting. Okay, then the name, look, so you can see now, Aigner 2 Feminine. Okay, this is the name of the perfume. So this is the trademark name, Aigner. It's like letter A and that's like a horseshoe like that. Okay, so let's take a look. Let's open this one. So this is it. So this is it. Look at, guys, to this one. It's inside from this box. So this is it. So this is now the product. Look at here. So guys, this is now the product. And this is the bottle. So see, it's silver type. And you have to press here. And look at here. So we will try to press. I will try in my hand. We will try how it is like, how to use this one. So this is the opening, and I think this one to press. So we'll see how it look, how to open this one. I am very ignorant, guys, how to open. Oh, try ko lang, be. I-press ko muna. Yeah, lolo, see? Oh, you can see? It's already in my hand. Oh, look at here. Oh, meron na siya dyan. So, oh, very good smell. Look. So, just press a little bit only, spray on your hand. Look, and you have to only to apply a little bit here on your neck when you are sweating, so the sweat will be coming out here. And if you apply some perfume, so you will smell very good fragrance, and the bottle is very stylish. Look, it is a silver coated, and this is the glass, the purple type. So look at here. So this is 60 ml, very social but the price is social also, guys. So you can find this one in any perfumery store or perfumery market. So just try to check this from the internet and you can see how much the price, and you can find out if it is you can order through online and how much the cost of this perfume. So this is our unboxing for today. This is EU de Perfume natural spray. The brand name is Aigner Too Feminine. This is for ladies perfume, and this is the package. This is the bottle. Look at here. You have to press here, and this is the opening. Look, so I cannot remove this one. And look at here. The name is engraved here in this metal. Aigner Too Feminine. So it is engraved here. So try to purchase this product and you can see, or you will find out how is the scent or the fragrance, and you will find out how long will it last in your skin when you apply it. You can apply it in your clothes, but a little bit. Just spray first in your finger and just dump it a little bit, but do not spray it direct to your clothes so that your clothes will not be having a stain from the perfume. So be careful. Only apply for your tip of your finger, and you can do it like that. Not to spray it like that. Otherwise, when you go outside, your clothes will have a stain. So it will not look beautiful when you are spraying the perfume all over your clothes. Okay, just simply like that. That is the professional way on how to use the perfume. Do not spray it like that, like that. No, just spray it into your finger and apply it here where your sweets are flowing from your ears at the backside. That like here, you put here and here a little bit on in your backside like that, where you can put here also here. Okay, because your sweet are coming from here, so you can apply here. So that is how to apply your perfume, guys. So meron akong konting idea at know-how. I have a little idea and know-how because I worked before in the perfumery shop and cosmetics before. That is why I review some products and I show you how to use it. Okay, guys. So next time I want to do a tutorial for the cosmetics, like how to apply lipstick, eyebrow, and many things. Okay, so I want to review the product that I am using for every day. Okay, guys, so this is my personal use. That is why I do unboxing. So this is not for sale. It's only for my personal use. That is why I review it for you. Okay, I will not tell you the price, but this one is affordable price if you are living here in Europe. But this one from Germany, because this is original from Germany, and it is distributed from other countries. It's international. And we will see what is the Yeah, this is from Germany, from Munich. Okay, but this is distributed around the globe. But the price is already different because it is original from Germany, and when it is already exported to other countries, of course the price are different because it's already imported. Okay, so thank you for watching and joining this premiere, the product review or unboxing of this Aigner 2 Feminine perfume for the ladies perfume. So give a thumbs up, leave a comment, share this video, and please support my channel by clicking the super thanks down below. Your support is highly appreciated in order to improve my channel. So see you again guys tomorrow for my another premiere. Don't forget to like, comment, and share to Rafthelsavlogs. Feeling down, bye-bye, and keep safe always. And God bless everyone. Thank you for watching this premiere, and see you again tomorrow. Bye bye.